Let's proceed to example number 3. So for our example number 3, we have equation x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0. So again, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is negative 4. Using the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, let's substitute the values of b squared, which is 5 squared, minus 4 times 1 times negative 4. So therefore, the discriminant is 25 plus 16, so d is equal to 41. So as you can see, 41 is greater than 0, but not perfect square. So since this is not a perfect square, therefore, the roots of this equation are real, irrational, and unequal. Now, since this equation is not factorable, you can just use quadratic formula to solve this. But for us to see what are the roots, let us just use the calculator trick to solve for the roots of the equation x squared plus 5x minus 4x. So let's do this. Alright. So a is 1, then b is 5, then c is negative 4. So the roots are, as you can see, this is real, irrational, and the other one, they are unequal.